worst train ride ever. Okay, the sleeping was bad. Didn't get much sleep. I'm starving. Thank you for the pretzel, Carlie, by the way.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Having some pain. And I'm cranky. I almost killed Carlie for apparently no reason. I just hate you.
No, you don't. You love me.
Okay, you just slept better than me. Because I am like tired.
I didn't slap you.
When you are sleeping on a train, bring your own pillow. Bring your own blanket. And some entertainment for you. Because you know what? If you don't have any entertainment, you're just screwed.
Yeah.